Every single day, millions of glass bottles are thrown away, but inside this factory, they are given a second life. This is where the journey begins. Mountains of glass waste collected from cities around the world. Collected bottles arrive here by the ton, ready to be recycled. The glass moves into the factory through massive conveyor systems. Glass must be separated by color to maintain quality during recycling. Magnets and air systems remove metal and plastic contaminants. The bottles are crushed into small pieces called cullet. Only perfectly sized glass fragments are allowed to continue. The glass is washed to remove dirt, glue, and chemicals. Laser scanners detect even the smallest impurity. Now, the glass is ready for rebirth. The glass is melted at temperatures above 1500 degrees Celsius. The glass is melted at temperatures above 1500 degrees Celsius. At this stage, old bottles lose their identity completely. Machines shape the molten glass into brand new bottles. Slow cooling strengthens the glass. Every bottle is inspected for perfection. Imperfect bottles are recycled again. Perfect bottles move to packaging. Ready to be shipped worldwide. Glass can be recycled forever, saving energy, resources, and our planet.